to my channel, Vivek Pandey. So, guys, today we are going to discuss some more patterns. This session is for the playlist of patterns. In the last video, we have discussed one pattern, that is triangle and rectangle. Yes, and today we are going to see some patterns like ABC pattern or some characters pattern. All these things we are going to see one by one. So stay tuned, guys. Let's start. And before this, let's check what exactly we have dealt with here. So last class we discussed about a pattern which is rectangle. So let me code that. And here it is. See. So I created this one, 5 rows and 5 columns for I in range, and this one is a 5 again for j in range, and here also it is 5. Yeah. Now print, what I have to print, I have to print a star here, and every line should be like in the same line. The star should print same line, and also one a new line I have given here outside of the inner loop. See here, this is a pattern we got. This is a pattern. So fine, guys. So this pattern we are done. Now let's go with the next one. Here it is. Now, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in this session, I'm going to discuss some basic patterns. It will be a few more patterns. It's not only like one. So here also, like, we have 5 rows and 5 columns, 5 columns. Yeah. So, but now here we are printing like 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So like this, how many times? 5 times. This is one time. This is two time. So like this, I need to print all this 5 times, guys. Okay. So to print this 5 times, we need to make some changes here. What is the change? We already know that range function will have how much? In this range function, it will start from 0 by default. If it is a parameter, is one parameter, it starts from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, up to 4 only, because total it should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It cannot take 5. Yes, because range function does not allow the range function does not access it, access n minus 1. Up to n minus 1 we can go with. So 5 minus 1 till 4 we can get. Yeah. So now in the place of star, simply if I keep here j, then what happens? Definitely I will be getting this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. So let's see what is the output we are getting. So am I getting correct output, guys? Just once again, see here. But it is starting from 0, right? I want it from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So for that, what I can do here is I can take a two parameters like 1 comma 1 comma 6. Can I go with this 1 comma 6? And now let's see. Yes, it is printing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fine. Now, even if it is 5 here, still I wanted to go with a 1. So I'm just increasing j plus 1. Now let's see whether it is working or not. Yes, obviously, even this is also working and even this is also working. Fine, guys. So I guess you have got this one. Now, simultaneously, what I will do is I will take one notepad, and I will keep these patterns. Okay. Now, first one is, yeah, this is a pattern for the first one. This pattern is what? Just it is 1, 2, 3, 4. We are printing 1, 2, 3, 4. So how easy, simple it is. We all seen how to print this pattern. So I guess you don't have any doubt in this. Yeah. So this is second pattern is done. Now let's go to the next one. Now here what is happening is a repetition is there, like all the inner loop, whenever it is whenever we are whenever the inner loop is running, it is printing all 1 1 1, then 2 2 2. How many times? Like 1 1 1 one time, 2 2 2, 3 3 3, 5 5 5. So rows will be five rows, that is fine. But here columns, see, 1 2 3 4 5 columns are changing. Column is also 5, fine, but the numbers are getting changed. So how we can do this? See here. Now, earlier we did J. So now what happens here is we can go with the tracing part. For every this here J, we are printing what 1 2 3 4, right? But here all the iterations of J values, I is this, I is how much? For example, I is 0. When I is 0, in this case, J will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. So all this J, we wanted to print only 0. Yes, first first it should print what? All zeros. How many zeros? Five zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. Then again, like again, if it is I is what? I is 1. Then the J, obviously J will go again, same thing, 0 comma 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. And here also it should print all 1 1 1. So 1, here it is 1 1 1 1 1, fine. So like this we have to print everything. Yeah, first row should be all 0 0, second row should be all this is. So it means what exactly is happening is for all the iteration, 0 iteration, 1 iteration, 2 iteration, it is printing all zeros, means it is printing I value. Here again I value will be what? Keep what? I. Yes. And let's see now. So see, 0 0 1 1 1 2 2 2. Yes. But here it is starting from 1. So what I can do, I can go with I plus 1. See here, all 1 1 1, all 1 1 1 2 2 2. So it is working, guys. So this also I'm going to copy this second pattern. So why I'm doing this is in my community I will be keeping this. I will share this document in my community so that you can go through it. So second pattern in today's class, second pattern is done. So let me also write down the date even. Yeah. Like a trainer name, Vivek Pandey, and then date. So what is the date today? It is, yeah, 9 6 9 6 9 6 2025. Fine. So second pattern is done here. Today's second pattern. Fine. Let's go with the third pattern. So see here, here we need A, B, C, D, E. So how we can do this? We wanted A. So guys, do you remember like what is the ASCII value? ASC, ASCII. Yes. So you have to comment what is the full form of ASCII. Okay. ASCII, or in Python and Java we call it as Unicodes. 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 Fine. So what is the meaning of this? The meaning is characters. How to represent this character? They are having some values. Yeah, those are called as Unicodes. So now how to represent? Like for example, 65 for capital A it is 65. For small a, capital A it is. So this 65 is for A. For small a it is 97. This you have to remember, guys. Yeah. So if you want, let's check this out. here ASCII table. I will just print ASCII values. See, and here we can go with the image, and then see. So what it is showing here, it is showing in Unicode's ASCII value alphabets. Yes, see here, guys. So 65 is A, 66 is B, like that. Likewise, 97 small a. So this is a table, ASCII table. So hope you understood. Fine. So how to print this? To print this here, what I have to do is simply, you should know one thing in order to print this. What you have to know is print ORD and CHR. So for example, ORD of, here if I'm writing A, now what happens? It is giving 65. Okay. And same thing, print, or same here only I will print in a next line, or in a same line here, CHR, and here it is 97 or 65. So let's see what happens. STR cannot be interpreted as integer. Okay, I given string, right? So it should be only 65. See here, 65 and A. What is the meaning of this? ORD. ORD is a function. It takes what? Character, and gives what it gives, values. And CHR, reverse, guys. So we need character. So I need to use CHR. Fine. Okay, guys. So now, what I can do here is I wanted to print what was this, A B C D. So it is changing, right? A B C D. So obviously we know that 1 2 3 4. It means we have to go with a J. So I'm just writing J plus 65 in it, right? I have to get 65. So if I'm writing here 65, and then this both I need to convert it into what? Character. So CHR. Now let's see what is happening. Fine. I got my A, B, C, D, E. Yes. So just simple, you have to write J plus 65. Means 0 plus 65, 1 plus 65, like this. Okay. So this is third one. Third pattern. Okay. Fine. Cool. We learned this, how to print characters. Now here it is simple. A is repeating for 5 times. B is again repeating for 5 times. So what I said, if something is repeating, it means what? It is a outer loop one. So here. So obviously it will be what? I. And if it is in a characters, then this is. Now let's execute this. Okay. So fine, guys. Here Fine. Yes, yes. Now let's try to execute this. Yeah, it is giving all A, B, 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 C, C. Fine, guys. So this one also I'm just pasting it, or I have already pasted. No, I have not pasted. So it is, you can say it is fourth pattern. So four basic patterns are done. Four patterns. Fine. Now fifth one. Let's see what is the fifth one. Meanwhile, this is a question for you all guys. In the comment section, you can try this. What is the output of this? Now, next pattern is this. So how many rows and how many columns? In order to print this, we should always say this is one row, second row, third row, fourth row, and fifth row. Fine. Rows are five, columns are, this is one, two, three, four, five. So one thing is clear, we have five rows and five columns. Yes, rows and columns. But what we need to observe here is whenever my row is, for example, my row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4, 5. Yeah. When the row is 1, column is 1, row is 2, column is also 2, row is 3, column is also 3, row 4 means my rows means my column is depending on row R. So it is depending on R, guys. Yes. So with this one, we need to write something like how the for loop, how it works. Like already, now let's try to create the logic of this. This is the logic actually. Rows what? How many rows? First one row and one column. Two rows and two columns. Yeah. So it is completely depending on, yeah. So now here what I will do is for I in range. If I take it as 5 and then for j in range. Yes. Let me take here n separately. Here I will take n. N is equal to 5 and in the place of I will take n. It will be helpful for us to take input values rather than going only fixed values. Here I can change the 5 with any other numbers also. So here, so what I said is, if I keep here n, it means what number of rows, columns will also will be 5 columns from starting. So what I have to keep here? Here it is anyhow five rows are there, but columns, this is responsible for rows and this is responsible for columns, 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 rows and columns. Fine. So now how these rows are varying? The rows are varying. Here I need to write one condition. What is the condition? This j is completely depending on what? I. So can't I take here I? Yes. So what is the meaning of this? Let's try to trace this code once. Now I is how much? I is 0. When I is 0, j will be how much? J will be. So obviously when I is 0, the range of 0 means j of also 0, and when j is 0, a range of 0 means what is the meaning of this? It is false, nothing is there because it don't take 0, so it is fail. It gets terminated, loops get end terminated, loop get terminated. Here it is output. So here we will not get any output there. Then again I, it goes to the next, it goes to the outer loop. I is what? This time I became 1 and then j becomes, yes, so this time j becomes 1 It means, what is the meaning of this? Range becomes 1. So what is the meaning of this range 1? Range 1 means what? It goes 0 to only 0, right? Because 0 to 1, 1 will not be taken. So only 0, only one value. One time it will print. So what it will print here? Let's print it here. Yeah. So what it will print here star, and that to END means line, in the same line I should print. And then here, this is a new line. Why new line? Once this iteration is done, the next time it should start from a new line after the new line. Okay. So let's see what is the output here. Okay, I should keep them in comments. This comment and this is also in comment. Oh, obviously, what I got? I got this 1, 2, 3, 4. But only I got 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have not got 5. Why? See here. Range of 0. Because first one got terminated, na? From 0 it is. So what if I do plus 1? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So see here, plus 1 means what? Anyhow, 0 will not be there. Even the I value is 0. The range will be what? Range will be 1. I is 0, j will be 1. And from here, yeah, we are just skipping this line. We are skipping by adding a range. This is skipped. Skip how? Range of I plus 1. That line, skip that. And now we are getting what? The C. How nice pattern we got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. And if you wanted to have some space between them, you can have it. See some space you can notice here. So this is done. Now let me add this in our notes. So how many patterns are done so far? 4 is done. This is fifth one. Fifth pattern is done. Now let's go with the sixth one. So this is done. Okay, now this is opposite one, right? The same thing in opposite way. Now here we need to understand, first thing is everything is getting printed. First row. So here also we need to count the rows and columns. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 rows are obviously 5. And the columns are also 5. Rows are 5 and columns are 5. Okay. But here it is printing everything. So what is the meaning of this? Everything it is printing like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It means everything. And here row means row 1, everything is there. Row 2, 1 is reduced. Row 3, another one is also reduced. So 4, 2 only, 5, 1. So what is the logic we can apply here? And in the terms of column, all 5 columns are there. In the first row, all 5 columns. Second row, 1, 2, 3, 4 columns. 3 columns. 2 columns. Fourth row, 2 columns. Fifth row, only 1 column. So what is the logic we can apply here? For example, if I'm making I, initially I value will be what? 0. Initially it is 0. If I'm making my j value more than 0, means plus 1 if I add, so obviously this whole iteration will be greater than 0, right? Anyhow, 0 will be printed how many times? Total number of times I is getting, like, j will be how much? 1, 2, 3, 4 till the range. Now let's see here. Here it is rows and columns. We already know here this one. Now the logic, let's understand the logic here. Instead of I, Is it depending on I? If I'm taking I, no, let me take J here. Now let's see what is happening with the J. J is not defined. Yeah. Why I'm getting this error? Did I define earlier of this? No, right? So here it is giving me error. So what to do in order to overcome this? Yes, guys, just try to think. Yeah. So if I'm giving here I plus 1, if I'm giving, how I'm getting this? I'm getting in this way, but I wanted to get opposite. So in this case, something I need to do. What exactly? If I'm writing j is equal to 0, j plus 1, I'm getting one line. No, it's not giving me correct answer. Okay, guys. Now, see here, n is 5, obviously. Now, 5, here if it is I, comma, I, I, comma, n. Got it? Yes. Is it 5 rows? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 5 columns? Yes. So what is happening here? We are going till n. What is n? 5. 5 ends till 4. So I, let's try to trace this I here. For I becomes what? 0. If I is, see, let's trace this code here once. The code is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, up to 4 only. And here, what are the values I will be getting here? Let's see. First, I is what? 0. When I is 0, then what would be the j? J will be I comma n. So what is I? I is 0. 0 comma n. What is n? 5. And here we have range. And the range is also same. J means what? The same thing, right? Range. So range from 0 to 5. What it is? Again, from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. So it will print all the stars from 0 to 4. Yeah. So output I'm writing here. Output. Output is this. Now here, all how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. For one complete iteration of this 4 times up to 0 to 4, 5 stars got printed. Fine. Next one, what is happening next? Let's understand. Here, this time I value becomes 1. When I becomes 1, j will become how much? J will be 1 to 5. 1 to 5 means what? The range will be also 1 to 5. 1 to 5. And here, same thing. Not same. Here it will be varies. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. So how many stars will get printed? You can see here. In the next iteration, after the new line, here it will be only 4 stars will get printed. Only 4 stars. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Fine. After this, again I value will be 2. Again here, range will be 2 to 5. So what is the meaning of 2 to 5? 2 to 5 means 2 comma 2, 3, 4. That's it. How many stars? 3 stars. Only 3 stars will get printed. 1, 2, 3. Fine. So like this, let us keep on going. When I becomes 4, 4 to 5 means it will print only 1. So this is the logic, guys. This is the main important logic here. Yes. I to n. We are traversing I to n. So let me give this copy in the notes. So sixth one. We are done. 6 patterns. Simple pattern it is. See, I'm unable to give this output. It is fine. You can understand. So 6 patterns are done. 7. Let's go with the 7th one. Okay. Now this this is also you have to write it in the comment if you understood what will be the output of this. Now this I wanted to print this pattern. So how to print this? One again, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So again here also it is limiting, like it is depending on rows. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Is it not something like previous pattern? Previously we are printing this I plus 1. Is it 1, 1, 2, 3 like this? But this time I wanted to just print j. See here. But it is printing I plus 1, it is printing j value, it is printing, but I wanted 1 here. So what I can go with? Plus 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Is it the same pattern? 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect, I got it. So what I'm doing here is, it is depending on this I. If I don't go with 1, now let's see what happens. One row is removed because it is starting from 0. Yeah. Or else directly I can go with 1 comma n. Now it is with I. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here plus 1. Yes, now also it is fine. So here, because by default it starts from 0, here it will start from 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. So it means 5 times means 5 rows will be printed. And J, so I can directly also write if I am writing only J. Now let's see what happens. 0. Why we are getting 0? Because I, when the range becomes 1, range of 1 means what? 0. Obviously, that's the reason I'm giving 1. Yeah. So this is, see, if you learn one pattern, you can try to create many patterns out of it. So this is seventh one. Now this is eighth pattern. Here it says, you can see here it is reducing, keep on reducing it, and we have seen this pattern. This is a triangle, and first 1 2 3 4 5. So this is similar to something which we have seen, I comma n. Yes, if it is n here, and simply I was printing what? Star. See, this is this and this both are similar, right? This one and this one. Yes. So in this we need to make some changes. In this, let's go with the J. So 0 1 2 3 4. Again 1 2 3 4. But what I need from 1 2 3 4 5. Simply plus 1. Yeah. So see, if you know that pattern, and with that pattern you can create this number one. Reverse triangle, eighth one. Here I'm creating one more folder called patterns. And this name is session 2, day 2. Let's take it as day 1. Day 1 for patterns. See, done. Now let's go with the next one, A B C D. How to print this? A B C D E. So here it is similar to the same pattern, but I wanted to print C H R. CHR, and also can I go with plus 66, 65? See here, ABC. So what extra I have done? CHR, and then this. Here we have line numbers also. See guys, every pattern counts for me. Ninth pattern. And the last pattern. 10th. So this is 1 1 2 1 3 1 3 5. So how we are going to print this? Think once. So what is happening here? How many rows and how many columns? 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 rows, and 1 2 3 4. Yeah, 5 rows and 5 columns, that is same 5 5. But what is changing here in this? So it is also same as I plus 1, that earlier we have seen this triangle. This triangle same, only the values are changing. Yes. So what are the values? How to write these values? That is important. How to write these values? So just think here, 1. So if it is 0, I should get here 1, because the range of, if it is range of 1, it will be 0. So something I need to add 0 plus 1. Yeah. Again, if it is 0 plus 1, it's fine. Again, it is, if it, the range is 2, 2 plus 1. But this time 1 also I need. So j plus 1, 0 plus 1. Yeah. Let's see what we can do here in this code. So first I need to make the pattern ready. So what I said is I plus 1, I plus 1, and here now we need to print what? J. So j plus 1. So it is 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. This I'm getting, but that is not equal to this 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. I'm getting 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3. So 1, 1, 1, 3, 3, 3, 5, 5, 5, 7, 7, 9, 9. In this way I should get. So don't you think it is something like double the numbers? So here it is already 1, 1. Again, next is 2. Next is here 3. And here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So something like into 2, like 1 into 2. 2 plus 1. See, here it is something like double, right? If it is 1, and then here it is 3. Just imagine here 1, 3, 5, 7, and then 9. How I got 1? 1 I got fine. From 1, how I got this 3? From 3, how I got 5? From 5, how I got 7? And what is the relation? So to understand the relation, just 1 into 2 plus 1, 3. 1 into 2 plus 1. I will get what? 3. 3 into 2. 3 to just 6. So not 3. It should be like from 0, right? 0, 1. This I just don't want this. Eraser. Yeah, the J value is from 1, 2, 3. In this way, it is depending on I value, right? So how the I will be? So if it is 1, 1, actually it is starting from 0 because it is a range, in the range. So range of 1, 0 means 1. 1 got printed. Again, after that, it will be 2. So 2 means what? 1 into 2. 1 into 2 plus 1, 3. We got it. With 3, we got, with a 0. With a 0, I got this 1. With a 1, I got this 3. With a 2, 2 into 2 plus 1. Yeah. With a 3, 3 into 2. 3 to 6 plus 1. Again 4. 4 into 2. 8. 8 plus 1. 9. So these are the numbers I will be getting, guys. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. So let's see the logic. Let's implement it here. So simply what is happening here is simply 2 into j plus 1. See, 1, all 1, again 3. Fine. So we are done with the patterns. 10 patterns we have seen. Let me copy this one. So many more we are going to see in the next class. So guys, I guess you learned something from this. So if you really feel it is good and if you wanted me to create more videos, then I really need your support. Support in the sense same, like for the motivation, share and subscribe. So that's it guys. Thank you for attending the session and listening it carefully till the end. Hope you understood something and I made some sense. You learned something. So that's it guys. Thank you.